Unity versus CryEngine. Which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you develop and launch games without unnecessary complexity or limitations. Unity offers versatility and ease, while CryEngine focuses on high-fidelity graphics and realism. Unity and CryEngine are two powerful game engines used by developers worldwide. Unity excels in accessibility and broad platform support, whereas CryEngine stands out with its advanced rendering capabilities. The core difference lies in Unity's flexibility versus CryEngine's focus on cutting-edge visual quality. Unity is a widely used game engine designed for creating both 2D and 3D games across multiple platforms including mobile, PC, consoles, and VR. It works by providing an intuitive editor, a vast asset store, and extensive scripting support primarily through CLSs. Unity's strengths include its user-friendly interface, large community, and strong cross-platform capabilities, making it ideal for indie developers and studios alike. Its modular design allows rapid prototyping and easy integration of third-party tools. However, Unity can sometimes struggle with rendering ultra-realistic graphics compared to more specialized engines, and performance optimization may require additional effort for highly detailed projects. Unity suits developers looking for versatility, rapid development, and extensive resources, especially those targeting multiple platforms or experimenting with different game genres. Its continuous updates and support from a large ecosystem ensure it remains a top choice for a broad range of game development needs. CryEngine is a game engine renowned for delivering stunning, photorealistic visuals, primarily used for AAA games and projects demanding high-end graphics fidelity. It operates with a focus on advanced rendering techniques, realistic physics, and detailed environmental effects. CryEngine's visual quality stems from features like real-time global illumination, volumetric fog, and sophisticated particle systems. Its workflow includes a powerful editor and C++ or Lua scripting, which provides deep control but comes with a steeper learning curve. While CryEngine excels in creating immersive, visually rich environments, it is less flexible than Unity when it comes to platform variety and ease of use. The engine is best suited for experienced developers or studios aiming to build graphically intensive games or simulations where visual impact is critical. Limitations include fewer community resources and a smaller asset marketplace, which can slow development for smaller teams. CryEngine is ideal for projects prioritizing cutting-edge visuals and realism over rapid prototyping or broad platform deployment. Comparing Unity and CryEngine highlights a trade-off between versatility and visual fidelity. Unity's strength lies in its accessibility and wide platform support, making it perfect for developers targeting mobile, VR, or multiple devices with moderate graphical demands. It offers a smoother learning curve and a rich ecosystem of assets and tutorials. CryEngine, on the other hand, delivers superior graphics and realism, ideal for AAA quality games or projects focused on immersive environments. However, it requires more technical expertise and is limited in platform reach. For example, an indie developer creating a cross-platform game might prefer Unity for its speed and flexibility, while a studio developing a graphically demanding PC or console game would benefit from CryEngine's advanced rendering. Choosing between them depends on your project's priorities, broad accessibility, or top-tier visuals. Unity is recommended for developers seeking an easy-to-use, versatile engine with broad platform support and a strong community, ideal for diverse game projects. CryEngine is best for experienced developers focused on creating visually stunning, high-fidelity games that push graphical boundaries. If your priority is immersive realism and advanced effects, CryEngine delivers unmatched visual power to bring your creative vision to life.